teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, and touches a heart. A very happy Teachers' Day to all the educators and teachers out there. I am Rakshita from Akshay Playhome, Bengaluru. Today I am going to share with you the 4 ideas to celebrate Teachers' Day virtually for preschoolers. Before jumping on to the ideas, let us know why do we celebrate Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year in India because it is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the first Vice President of India and second President of India. He himself was an educator, scholar and a philosopher. Now, let us begin with the ideas of celebrating Teachers' Day virtually for preschoolers. Here comes the first idea. Tell something about your teacher. You can tell what you like about your teacher and you can also tell what she teaches you. For example, you can tell something like this. My teacher's name is Mrs. Rajeshri. She teaches me to read and write. She also teaches me to sing and dance. I love my teacher very much. So this was a simple lines about your teacher. Here comes the next idea. Enact like your teacher. So parents can dress their kids like a teacher and make them act different things that is done by a teacher. Encourage your child to explain any one of the concepts that is being taught in the class. For example, they can explain about days of the week. So first they have to introduce themselves and then explain. For example, they can enact something like this. Hello children, I am Ritu. I am a teacher. Today I am going to teach days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Sunday is a holiday. Saturday is the last day of the week. Thank you children. Bye-bye. This was a simple way of enacting like a teacher. For those children who can do more, they can explain the concept by referring to the flashcards, by showing some pictures or by referring to the objects which are present at home. So for those children who are very good at acting, so they can pretend to be like a proper teacher. So this activity helps children develop self-confidence and it will motivate them and they also feel proud to enact like a teacher. Here comes the next idea. Teacher's Day speech. It can be as small as a 4-line speech for the kids. For example, it can be something like this. Good morning everyone. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan's birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day on 5th of September every year. All teachers are honored on this day. On this day, children give cards, gifts and flowers to the teachers. On this day, children act like teachers. So this was a small speech for the kids. Here comes the next idea. A greeting card for the teacher. do spray painting. For that I have a heart cut out, which I have already cut it and kept ready. We are going to stick this cutout on this greeting card, okay, with a small cello tape, and then with the help of the brush we are going to do a spray painting. So here I have the cello tape and I'm pasting it. I have cello tape. I'm pasting it something like this. Stick the heart cut out on this, and now take a brush, okay, then apply the red paint on this. While you're doing, hold it and do it. Go from one side and complete everything. Let it dry for some time and then you can remove it. Once it is done, slowly remove this after it dries, and now you can just write down